Good evening everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. So today what I'm going to do is to unbox the DJI Neo. I just bought this from DJI shop in Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur. So this drone is actually meant for beginner, for those that likes to travel and take photos and videos. So it will actually follow you. There's a fly mode that can follow you. So this combo is called a fly-walk combo. Okay, it comes with the drone as well as the controller. There's another one that has the goggles. So that one actually is more expensive. So let's see what do we have here in this box. So basically, this here we have the charger. Okay, so this is the battery charger from DJI, and then we have the manual. Okay, this is the manual, and then we have the drone itself. Okay, the drone, and then we have the controller. This is the entry controller. Okay, if you are a DJI fan, you know what is a entry controller. So I think that's about it. And then there's two propeller. They're given two propeller in the box itself. Okay, so I think that's all I have inside the box for the DJI Neo. So let's see the drone again. This is DJI Neo. So I'm going to do a trial run tomorrow. Continue watching my channel to have a look on how the DJI Neo will operate. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.